Hi, I'm Paul Scott Black and I am the Bowtie Gourmet. What is the best drink in the ocean? Shrimp cocktail, of course. Today we're going to make a delicious shrimp cocktail with an amazing cocktail sauce. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to cooking.
Getting down in the hot tub. Brrr.
I don't know if you'll get tipsy off this cocktail, but it sure will make you salivate. My name is Paul Scott Black and I am the Bowtie Gourmet. Please subscribe to my channel, click, share, and like videos. And if you'd like to see more awesome appetizers, click on the appetizers playlist at the end of this video. Thanks.